Oh, we got it, the bearing cleaned up here, and yeah, it pretty gummy in there with that old grease. So start working and forcing and packing this new grease down in there, trying to get it worked all into the balls so that it's just happy again, you know. Forcing it down through there. And then I'll turn it a little bit, turn the bearing, and pack some more in it. Kind of have to pick it up out of the screenshot here. And I'll work some more down in it. Doesn't take a whole lot of grease to grease these. I'm probably putting in a whole lot more than I should, but anyway, it'll self-center itself eventually. Save you a little bit of money. I mean, that wasn't bad. I mean, this bearing's 30. Let's see, it's a 98, not 30 years old, 22 years old. So with that being said, I'll clean this area up real good and put the seal back down in it, and it'll be good to go.